So I have the final solution to how we are going to hook up our new air conditioner. So one, these two bushes are going to be removed by the homeowner. Two, so you'll see here we've got this existing unit. This existing unit just feeds this small addition. We have a disconnect that's not being used. There's a 30 amp breaker inside that is feeding this disconnect. So we are most likely going to need to replace this disconnect with a fuse disconnect because our air conditioner is maxed out at 25 on the 2-ton we're going to put in, but we do have wire and power to this disconnect. So we're just going to need to do a little whip over to our new air conditioner that's going to sit here. Now our refrigerant lines, so you see this, these refrigerant lines in here that are just capped off, not being used. So those refrigerant lines go through the wall here and they go up and come out here. So what we're going to do is we're going to rip out those refrigerant lines and we're going to replace them, and I'll show you how on the other side here, but we're going to bring them up into the garage here. So we're going to come back through this wall. So again, where they run, so our units sit over there, so they go in the wall right there, run in the back of this this wall over here, and then they come out, so you can see them, they're exposed in there, and then they come up and come out here. So we're gonna just follow those refrigerant lines and we're gonna come up, and you remember that video from in the attic? So what we're actually gonna do is we're gonna come up here, we're gonna we're gonna come up to the roof line, or the edge of the ceiling, and we're gonna 90 over and we're gonna run in the garage as long as we can. And then when we get over to here, this is where we're gonna poke up into the attic, and then it's like another 10 to 15 feet from right where we poke up over to where our indoor air conditioning coil is sitting.